So, Bhawmik, obviously, see, all our parents, everybody wants us to wants all well-wishers of ours, they want us to succeed. बट वो एक हमारे अंदर होता है कि भाई एक बार नहीं हुआ यार, अब उनकी आंखें देखते हैं, हम अपना देखते हैं, हमारे दिमाग में रहता है कि यार वो यार एक बार नहीं हुआ कैसे. स्टिल देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग दैट यू मस्ट बी टेलिंग योरसेल्फ कि ठीक है. सी एवरीबडी गिव्स अप, फाइनली इट्स अ गेम ऑफ फुटबॉल और एनी स्पोर्ट दैट वी प्ले. जब थक जाते हैं फाइनली तो एक बार छोड़ ही देते, छोड़ यार ओपन नेट है तो भी हम नहीं मार पाते. There, but still we have to tell ourselves something. So what is that one particular statement, if you what you must be telling yourself, and what would you like to share कि ये बोलो अपने आप को और काम पे चलो.
ये नहीं तो कुछ और सही. That was the classic thing that I had in myself. Gave my CUT examinations, failed terribly. Gave my JEE Mains examinations, my first attempt failed terribly. In my India for examination, I also failed that terribly. So I was like, if not this, something else. If not this, something else. Just keep on trying, keep on trying, keep on trying. The thing was that if I give up, then I would lose anyways, right? If I give up, there is no point of I will lose that way or that way. At least give it a shot, and then I would have the guilt on myself.
you know
That was
most
the
of,
plan.
mo- most of the time generally this statement is used कि एक गर्लफ्रेंड को प्रपोज, एक बंदी को प्रपोज किया नहीं हुआ तो चलो दूसरी, दूसरी नहीं तो तीसरी, and you kept playing that way with the careers also कि चलो, because finally you wanted to do something which you are passionate about, and not just at the for the sake of it that you wanted to do. So, there must have been some hurdles also while you were preparing for your JEE or SSB. Obviously, financially, तो हम सभी का मतलब we all have limited resources, but there must be other kind of hurdles also. So, could you just name a few and how did you overcome those hurdles?
The one of the most major hurdles that I had was during my CSB training was that I speak a bit too fast. I feel like I'm still speaking.
अभी भी तेरे से होता है.
I feel like I'm still speaking a bit too fast. That was one of the major issues. Over excitement and over engagement in the group. That was also one of the major issues. There's a few issues that I had. For that to cope up with those and to have a proper guidance around it, I took a lot of SSB coachings. They're only that I met Ankur sir. The most, how do I say, the most unique, then the most standout GT professor that I ever found on my training was you only, sir. That was absolutely amazing. How do I say? The most witty as well as the funniest person that I met during my entire SSB training. It never really felt like, oh, I'm training with a retired colonel. It was always like, oh, someone who was passionate about teaching only. It was always like that. So that was my entire process.